Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually get multiple accounts because they're sure of the product. But for people who are just starting, they only use one account. That's the reason why we only doing this with one account. Now you may get more sales than me, you may get less sales than me, but this is the general idea of sales you should get. Alright guys, I can't promise you anything. I'm just showing you what the results that I am getting. You know what I mean? So yo, if you interested in following along in this series, links are in the description below. If you want to try to make some money on your own with this quick way of making money, extra money, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about the first reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because it's essentially a funnel builder, and it's a very good and easy to use funnel builder with all kinds of tutorials on how to do certain things. Now if you used a funnel builder before, it's not that complicated to figure out how to do things, but you know, for people who are just starting and just trying to figure out how to do stuff, and it's $25 per month with no limitations at all, any kind of limitations. You can do whatever you want. You know, you can have as many funnels as you want, make as many domains as you want. It's easy to connect stuff to it. It's a pretty simple funnel builder with no limitations. All right guys, and you can do whatever you want is what I'm trying to say here, and it's just $25 per month. To compare, like the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels. It's $97 per month with a ton of limitations. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you're gonna have to pay $300 per month, which is absolute insanity to me. So, and I used to pay that. I don't do it no more, but I used to. And anyway guys, that the product is really good. That's my first reason. And second reason, and I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was interested initially, guys, the second reason why I like promoting the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is absolutely bonkers. That's insane, guys. I've never heard of anything close to that. Believe me, I've been looking for a while. I have not seen anything even close to 80% recurring commissions. I might see something like 80% initially you'll get 80% or something like that, then it'll drop down to like 15%, something like that, or 40% recurring commission. I never heard of 80%. I honestly don't know how they're making money. And guys, those are the reasons why I like promoting this product, and I think you guys should too. It's the easiest way to make money online right now. So anyway, let's get it. So first off, we're just going to refresh the page. All right guys, this looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine guys. Not a big deal at all. Sometimes you have those days when you don't make the money. It's okay though, totally fine, because like I stated before, we did get a sale. We made, this is how much we made in about 4 months guys. 2,000 doing this simple method, $2,500, 4 months doing this simple method, and the money and the income is steadily growing guys. It ain't no stagnant income. Like, it's not gonna always be the same amount. It's gonna continue to grow, but each sale adds on. It doesn't add, it multiplies. You see what I'm saying? Basically, it's because it's monthly commissions. And yeah, one more thing I want to mention also is that make sure people, when they show you results, make sure they refresh the page so they can show you real results. Very easy to change all these numbers around, and they can do whatever they want. Now you see some crazy numbers and they don't refresh the page, don't believe them. All right, so we're gonna go here, we're gonna go and click on all our leads here, and we're gonna go with the results in instant. Okay, what's the next? I guess we're gonna click on this one right here. We're gonna get our next email here, making money in the first week. Very easy to copy here, simple email. Just talk about people making money in the first week here. Very simple email. Just copy, pause, copy, pause, copy, pause, copy, so on and so forth. Get here, get your link in there. Now the link I like to use is the all-in-one $25 business because it promotes both the $20 recurring commissions and the $100 recurring commissions, guys. You get a 2-week free trial on the $100 recurring commission. That's the reason why I like promoting this one particularly. And people were interested where I was getting $100 from. That's what I'm getting it from. All right, guys. All right, so that's all there is to that. Now you make sure you preview, make sure you link words and all of that. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around time people check the emails. Since I'm using a previous email, I know my link works, and we're just gonna send it, guys. And we are done. That's all it takes, guys. You do this every morning. I've been doing it every morning. I show you guys me doing it every morning, and I show you my results that I'm getting. The money that I'm getting is coming into my bank account. All right, guys. This extra change, it could pay a couple extra bills, a little pocket change money, or whatever it's gonna be, right? Or help you pay, just help you in your base income, help it grow a little bit, and without no limitations. So, instead of like a job, you can have a job and do this on the side. Very easy to do. Only 5 minutes. It only take 5 minutes, and just kind of build up from there until you don't need your job anymore. But anyway, guys, like I stated before, you want to follow along. Links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.